Welcome back to Motor Masters, your ultimate destination for the latest in automotive innovation and performance. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Peugeot 508 PSE, a high-performance sedan that blends electrification with pure driving pleasure. The 2025 Peugeot 508 PSE Peugeot Sport Engineered is the pinnacle of Peugeot's engineering expertise, offering a stunning combination of aggressive styling, hybrid efficiency, and exhilarating power. This latest iteration of Peugeot's performance flagship continues to push boundaries with enhanced aerodynamics, advanced technology, and a refined driving experience. Under the hood, the 508 PSE is powered by a plug-in hybrid powertrain, featuring a 1.6-liter turbocharged gasoline engine paired with two electric motors, one on the front axle and another on the rear. This setup delivers an impressive 360 horsepower and 520 nanometers of torque, making it one of the most powerful Peugeots ever built. With all-wheel drive and a 0 to 100 km/h time of around 5.2 seconds, the 508 PSE ensures an engaging and dynamic ride. The electric driving range is expected to be around 50 km, thanks to its upgraded battery pack. This allows for zero-emission city driving while maintaining exceptional performance on highways. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless power delivery, while the advanced regenerative braking system enhances energy efficiency. On the design front, the 2025 Peugeot 508 PSE exudes a sporty and futuristic appeal. The bold front grille, aggressive bumper styling, and signature 3-claw LED headlights give it a menacing look. The lower stance and aerodynamic enhancements, including larger air intakes and a rear diffuser, improve downforce and stability at high speeds. The exclusive selenium gray paint with neon green accents and 20-inch alloy wheels emphasize its performance-oriented character. Inside, the 508 PSE is a tech powerhouse. The Peugeot iCockpit remains a highlight, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch infotainment touchscreen with updated connectivity features. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium focal audio system provide a seamless multimedia experience. The sporty Alcantara and leather seats, along with neon green stitching and carbon fiber trim, add a luxurious yet aggressive touch to the cabin. When it comes to driving dynamics, the 508 PSE is equipped with adaptive suspension, offering multiple drive modes that adjust the steering, throttle response, and damping for an optimal balance between comfort and sportiness. The performance-tuned braking system with large ventilated discs ensures precise stopping power, essential for a high-performance hybrid. In terms of safety, the 508 PSE comes packed with Peugeot's latest driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. Peugeot's semi-autonomous driving capabilities make long-distance journeys more effortless and secure. The 2025 Peugeot 508 PSE represents the future of performance sedans, proving that electrification and high performance can coexist. With its thrilling acceleration, cutting-edge technology, and head-turning design, this hybrid sports sedan is a serious contender in the premium performance segment. Stay tuned to Motor Masters for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest automotive releases. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the best content in the world of cars.